Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change font size on Facebook. So let me tell you one thing, that there's no such feature on Facebook that allows you to change font size through Facebook itself. However, you would need to follow other additional steps in order to change your font size on your device itself. So now, let me show you the process on how you can do so. First of all, launch your Facebook app. Now over here you can see my default font size. Now let me show you the steps on how you can change this. So first of all, launch your settings. Now if you are using an iOS device, just scroll down and select the option of display and brightness. Now, once you are here, you can see the option of text size. So, just tap on that option. Now, once you are here, you can see a font size scale at the bottom of your screen. You can change it according to your preference by sliding it towards the left in order to decrease the size and sliding it towards the right to make your font sizes large. You can also see a message that says larger sizes are available in accessibility settings. So this is one of the methods how you can change your text sizes or font size on your phone. Now let's open Facebook. And you can see that the text size in Facebook now have enlarged. Now let me show you another process. Open settings again. Now just go back to the main settings homepage. Now tap on accessibility. Now once you are here, you can see the option of display and text size. Tap on it. Now once you are here, you can see various options. You can also turn on the toggle for bold text if you want your text to be bold. Now you can see the option of larger text. Tap on it. Now you'll again see a text size scale at the bottom. You can also turn on the toggle for larger accessibility sizes in order to receive more enlarged fonts for your mobile device. You can see that the text have been enlarged. Now let's open Facebook. And you can see that the text have been enlarged. So that's how you can change font sizes on Facebook. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.